So we came to Dung Point or something like that, and there's some stalks and boats and stuff. It's really pretty. It's on the Victoria Lake, and yeah, chilling with some people we met at the hospital we worked at.
These fish, these two species of fish that we're seeing here, they can stay alive for about 12 hours outside water.
No.
Like this one, when you throw it back, it will go. But if you throw it in water, it will go. Including this one. You see, this one, once it has been removed out of water, it stays calm. But this one, this one, and this one. This is called lungfish. This one has got teeth. This one has got. This is the only fish that has got teeth. And maybe you'll hear the sound that it will.
Hey, iko na meno kubwa kama
ana meno yake. Hii inakuuma hii kata mkono. Unaona vile.
This one is a small one. A big one can weigh up to about 15 kilograms. This is somebody was asking to know tilapia. This one is tilapia.
Okay.
This one is tilapia. This one is 20 shillings. 20 shillings.
What fish is that?
This is called Synodontis. Or you normally call it the military jet. Actually, it looks like an helicopter. This is the military jet. Yeah, the military jet.
Okay.
You can also call it helicopter fish. Yeah. So this technology also that we are trying to promote as a community, since it consumes less firewood.
Okay.
To pick heat. Yeah.
Na mnazijenga aje kwa hii shape ya hii?
We have got
technology.
That's a restaurant. It's so cute. I don't think we'll eat there because it looks a bit suspicious, but that's cool. Look at that. It's made of plastic bottles. Oh, so cool. Oh my god. I'll show you the pictures in a minute, but there's this group of locals that asked to take photos with a Mzungu. Wait. So we did. That was fun. They loved it.
This place is so much congested, so you cannot hold the bag apart.
Okay. This is Jumbo.
So you mean the opposite?
Look at Santa and his reindeer. Look at that. But there's no Rudolph. Boo.